In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a 404 page in Framer in just 5 minutes. This brief guide will walk you through the necessary steps to create a custom 404 page. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Framer. Framer is a fantastic design tool that lets you create interactive layouts, so it's a great choice for designing your custom 404 page. Once you've found the official Framer website, go ahead and log into your account. If you're not signed in, click the Login button and enter your credentials to gain access to your projects. Now, navigate to your Framer dashboard where you'll see your existing projects. If you're starting from scratch, just create a new project. If you already have a project in mind where you want to add the 404 page, click to open that specific project. Once inside, your next task is to add a new page to this project. This is where your custom 404 page will reside. When you create this new page, it's crucial to rename it specifically to 404. The / followed by the numbers 404 tells Framer that this is your custom 404 page. Naming it this way is integral, as it ensures Framer automatically understands and uses it as your error page whenever a user lands on a non-existent URL on your site. With the page created and properly named, the fun part begins. You'll want to use Framer's design tools to style this page. Whether you're going for a minimalist look or something more vibrant, try to maintain the design in line with your overall site aesthetics to provide a seamless user experience. But we're not just about design here. Content is king, even on a 404 page. It's important to include a friendly message explaining that the page wasn't found. This is crucial as it helps maintain the trust and transparency between your brand and your visitors. Additionally, don't leave them stranded. Offer navigation options. You might want to include links back to your homepage or other significant areas of your site to guide users back to where they need to be. After you've added all these elements and are happy with the design and functionality, the final step is to publish your website. Make sure to preview and test the 404 page to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. Once satisfied, hit the Publish button. This will make your custom 404 page live, catching any wayward visitors with grace and helping them find their way back to your main content seamlessly. That's it. In just a few steps, you've created a visually appealing and navigationally helpful 404 page using Framer. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy designing!